Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making the phone able to show a brighter AOD. First, confirm your model supports always-on display and that battery isn't limiting brightness. Once that's checked, turn off power saver or low power mode because those force dimming. Next, open Settings, go to Display, and select Always-on Display or Ambient Display. This is where brightness options live. Make sure you're in the right menu before moving on. This saves time and prevents toggling the wrong controls. Now adjust the brightness controls that directly affect AOD. Use the AOD brightness slider or ambient display brightness. Drag it up until the AOD is readable without overexposing the screen. Turn off adaptive or auto brightness for AOD specifically, because automatic sensors often lower the level. Also change display timeout, refresh rate, and wake gestures so the screen stays active long enough for you to see it. If your phone has separate day/night schedules, set them to keep AOD brighter during your target hours. Finish by testing the always-on display in the lighting conditions you use most. If it's still too dim, make small adjustments to the AOD slider and schedule, then restart the device so changes take full effect. Install any pending system updates, because vendors sometimes fix AOD bugs. If it continues to underperform, disable battery optimization for the AOD system app or any third-party app controlling it. This one step often restores normal brightness and prevents the system from throttling the display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.